Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first concrete steps now. Make sure you meet the only way mode requirement and have an arcane-focused build. This increases drop chances and damage testing. Once done, travel to the specific map region and unlock the nearest fast travel site to shorten runs. Clear immediate enemies, but avoid killing scripted NPCs that alter the spawn. This early preparation saves time and prevents backtracking when you begin targeted farming for the night's lightnings. You now execute the focused farming loop. Move along the night patrol route and learn exact spawn triggers by watching reset points. Consistency matters. Use rune boost consumables to speed character progression while you repeat runs, and apply crowd control to isolate the spear-bearing knight. Once engaged, exploit lightning vulnerability or stagger windows to prevent resets that cancel the drop. Make sure to rest at the site after each loop to reload spawns reliably, because that step preserves the spawn pattern you depend on. You finish by executing the final engagement and verifying acquisition. Defeat the knight using a method that avoids killing allied NPCs, then immediately pick up the knight's lightning spear from the corpse or loot window. If it does not drop, stop, clear adjacent zones, rest at the fast travel site, and run the route again. This resets drop chances. If problems persist, confirm you're in the correct only way state and that your arcane threshold is met. Reloading the region often resolves spawn anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.